Very clearly, the electricity markets need to be reformed in a direction that will help the deployment of low-carbon technology. And low-carbon technologies, as you may know, have this particularity that they have very high fixed costs, very high initial costs of investment, and rather low variable costs. That distinguishes them from fossil fuel technologies, which have rather low investment costs, in particular gas-fired technologies, and rather high variable costs. So the market design for low-carbon technologies and the market design for fossil fuel technologies is not the same. Let me add one further thought, that the current market design has been conceived rather for fossil fuel technologies, in particular for gas-fired power plants. They were conceptualized and introduced in the 1980s, 1990s. We had combined cycle gas turbines coming in. We had the big connections with Russia, and during that period really bringing lots of gas to Europe. So that market design is really sort of a gas-based power system market design. And I'm not 100% sure whether nowadays, when really climate change, reduction of greenhouse gas emissions is really the number one policy priority, whether under those circumstances the current market design is still the optimal one. All the low carbon technologies are a little bit in the same boat. The renewables to some extent have an advantage as they get out of market support through feed-in tariffs and so forth, but in the long run all the supporters of renewables want to have them want them to be mature enough in order to stand on their own feet, and then they will be exactly in the same boat as nuclear and hydro. Now, specifically, what does that mean? I'd say it means three things. First of all, it means we do need some sort of visibility, some sort of stability in terms of the prices that these low-carbon technologies can earn on electricity markets. The advent of the renewables has really brought down prices, has reduced the load factors for the technologies that are on the market, and there will not be any market-driven low-carbon investment under the current circumstances. So really this sort of price stability, price visibility is a key point. Two further points. Second point is, of course, a robust carbon price. What's a robust carbon price? It's a carbon price that actually can drive A, investment decisions, B, dispatch decisions. Investment decisions, that's fossil fuel technologies on the one hand side, low carbon technologies on the other. On the dispatch side, it's in particular the switch between gas and coal that's of interest. And there we can sort of say, once you have CO2 prices of 20, better even 30 euros per megawatt hour, then this really kicks in to make a difference. So robust means 30 or higher. To really drive low carbon investment, we probably need prices as high as 100 euros per megawatt hour. We will not be there in every European countries in the next few years, but Sweden is already working with a carbon tax of 100 euros per megawatt hour. That's sort of the level when really low carbon investment could be forthcoming, under the conditions, of course, that tax is perceived, or that price is perceived to be sort of sufficiently stable in time. Third part is really the reform of flexibility markets. What is happening sort of when you really get close to peak capacity. There we do need some, due to the variability, intermittency of renewables, of wind and solar, we do need some, how shall I say, completion of current market designs to make this more efficient.